Some art of taste based on the principle of slow food. I have a gimachin, I have ubi cream liquor, I have salted caramel vodka, and I have gayuma. So, sino sa inyo gusto mag-gayuma, guys? Later, let's talk. So, the first one is more likely yung straightforward natin, yung iced tea natin. So, we have I created a Cordillera iced tea. Kasi the last time, every time I'm here, nakikita ko na parang the drinks is more likely the one that's available in the convenience store or sometimes in the grocery. So sodas and other stuff. But nakikita ko kasi the food is already created. But the thing is yung pag iniinom natin, medyo mas maganda sana in line with what And right now, with the help of our honorable RD, hopefully we can come up with a lot of nice concoctions and then teach people on how to really concoct using that. Kanina actually lahat to guys, produce pala to, but we labored and then naging liquid pala. So ito yung mga nagawa namin kanina. Explain ko lang yung mga nagawa namin kanina. So of course you have your own strawberry, so I just created a simple strawberry cordial. I have a celery syrup. I have a rosemary syrup. I have a beetroot. I have a tamarind because mahilig doon sa maasim yung mga taga-Baguio.
Public Information Agency.
And then basil.
PIA. Yung matabang.
And ang intercropping ninyo guys is yung aside from rice, you're very known in rice. I had an opportunity to concoct something with rice using balitanaw. Yung balitanaw, yung isa sa pinaka-nagustuhan kong Highland rice na galing dito. And then, ang intercropping daw nila is yung munggo. So I created something with munggo here and then balitanaw. The iced tea that I'm gonna be serving is called Cordillera iced tea. So guys, I think we have to prepare na the Cordillera iced tea. So the Cordillera iced tea guys, ano siya? It's made with balitanaw rice, lemongrass, for acidity it's tamarind, tapos meron siyang honey water. So simple things that everybody can do. Hindi na natin pinahirap yung process. And then, medyo mahirap kasi yung balitanaw, ano lang siya, tinusta ko lang siya. After I toasted it, inano ko siya, inurate ko lang siya with water. And that's it. Yung water na yun yung ginawa nating water for the iced tea. And then yung pinaka-acidity niya, yung tamarind lang na lagi din ninyong ginagamit dito. At saka there's a little bit of calamansi. Tapos gumamit din ako ng turtle salt. So yun yung una nating i-present for everybody. So hopefully enough yung supplies namin. But basically, the boss is doing it. So unahin na natin yung iced tea natin.
Hanggang Monday pa lang.
27. Kaya yung kasi ako puro pictures para sa Facebook. Bukas magbibideo ako.
Live.
May cooking may cook fest. Yun, maganda rin yun.
Ilalive na lang.
Pwede i-live mo.
Ilalive ko na lang para hindi pasalas na.
Ganito, na first na meet ko to. First time. Siya, nasa table siya. Ako naman sa wala. Mahirap ma. Naka-ID sa noon.